Hey guys, today I'm working on a 2007 Suzuki Grand Vitara. We're replacing the release cable. It's this guy right here. The hood release cable is completely messed up, so I just prop this up to see where it's attached in there. It's hard to see, but I just use this flat screwdriver. I push this out. See if you can zoom in real quick. So this can come out of this part right here. So now I'm gonna just prop this out so I can pull it out. I already stopped putting this new one in, so I just slide it into this hole right here, and it goes underneath down here, and it goes through here. There's a little attach right here to hold it. Next, keep going under here, go under this metal piece right here, and from there it's attached right here, and it keeps going under all the way. So I took these out. First of all, I took the negative part of the battery out just to be on the safe side. So I took these two screws out. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. There's 3 bolts, 2 nuts and 1 bolt. Bolt goes right here. The 2 nuts goes on this right here. That way I can push this a little. That gives me more room to work. It's gonna be this hole down there. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Let's see if I can put the phone through in there. It's hard to see. If I can zoom in. See if I can zoom in real quick. I can't tell if you guys can see it or not. It's hard to see. But there's a hole down there. If you see the cable, there you go. That's the cable right there going through it. So it was tough to get into. I'll show you. When I first looked at the hole, it was this right here. So this piece comes out from the front. This part stays in the back. So I had to push this whole thing through. That way I can get it in there, because it's, as you can see, the hole is really small. It's hard to get in there, so I'm gonna push it all the way in. That way I get it on there, and then I can push it through inside of the car, so I can put it back where it was. All right, now I finally got it through, so I'm gonna push it all the way. Let's see if I can show you guys where the hole is. Let's see here. Yep, I guess you can see it from there. Just gonna have to tuck that into that hole where it was. And then I came back up here. You can see it. From there, I'll show you. Yeah, you just pull it. Just that way it sits properly. It's a little crooked right now. I'm gonna just pull it, a little wiggle. There we go. Make a little noise. Tucked in, and then from there should be good. So you can take this out if you want to. I didn't want to take it out, so I pushed this through with the flat and then tuck that in there. I pushed this whole spring with the flat and tuck that in there, run it through. I think here is the toughest part right there, where you have to move this on the side. That way I have small hands and it still won't fit. And from there I took this out, this little piece of the glove, this part down there. There's 3 screws in it. This one right here, one right there, one right here. Only 3 screws, and the top is just clamped right into this little hole right there. That's the last hole. And then from there, it's just getting underneath here. Run the cable through, and then it's gonna come up here, which I still need to get this part because I guess it's completely broken. But for now I'm just gonna pull this cable through here. That way when I want to pop the hood, I can just pull it. So I just pull it through this hole right here. That way I can just pull it. We're gonna do a quick test. It's over here. Take this out. Okay, there. Test. We're gonna see if it's working. Yep, you heard it. Here we go. All right, good to go. That's how you replace the release cable on a 2007 Suzuki Grand Vitara.